We're going to make a strawberry balsamic vinegar salad with deli meats and tomatoes, strawberries, goat cheese, and almonds. It's delicious. Okay, I'm going to transfer the strawberries into a glass bowl. And then I'm going to chop up the lettuce and rinse it. Okay, over to the sink. Wash out the lettuce. Really important to wash it thoroughly. You don't want to take the risk of potential E. coli. And a good rinse. I've got the capicola in the air fryer. I'm going to crisp it up. We really like this salad. I think I'm going to do double the batch. I'm going to chop up another head of romaine. Okay, 2 heads are already chopped up. I'm going to get this one washed. That looks done. I'm just taking the hulls off the berries. Good thing we're using these berries up in this salad because they're starting to look a little worse for wear. Something about this salad with the maple balsamic dressing, the strawberries, the capicola. It's got this wonderful salty sweet flavor. It's just delicious. So I just took the capicola out of the air fryer and it rendered quite a bit of the fat out. Hear that? It's crispy. That's just the way you want it, nice and crispy. Okay, so we've got the romaine washed and dried, and I'm pouring in the tomatoes and the strawberries. There we go. Okay. Capicola in. And next we're going to add goat cheese. And you crumble it up. See, it's so much easier when you just crumble up the goat's cheese. Put on as much as you like. It's very tangy, very distinct flavor. Goat's cheese is a perfect combination here. You can use feta if you want, but I prefer goat's cheese. It's not as salty as feta. Pairs well with the strawberries and all the other ingredients. I'm going to use quite a bit of this because it's a big salad. Of course, those who have nut allergies wouldn't want to add this, and I've got people in my family that don't care for nuts, so I will just put them in my salad and leave them out for everybody else. I'm going to do an equal amount of balsamic vinegar. So we're going to do just under a half cup. There we go. Of course, you do this by taste. You might want it a little sweeter. You might want it a little more tangy. You can use honey, or this is maple balsamic, so I'm using maple syrup that we make on our family farm. Okay, so here is the maple syrup, and I'm going to do they say? Pour until your ancestors tell you to stop. Okay, a little squirt of mustard to act as an emulsifier. I'm going to put in pepper. Just a little bit of pepper. Okay, this measuring cup is really full, so I think what I'm going to do is pour it into a bigger measuring cup. And then we can go from there with the whisk. Okay, time to mix it up. Get the lettuce up from the bottom, get the strawberries and tomatoes and capicola and goat cheese distributed. I'm gonna fill up a bowl. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, I just can't get enough of this salad. It's sweet, it's salty, it's tangy, it's crunchy. Just really good. I'm gonna pour a little of this dressing on, not too much. Ooh, there we go. Okay. Perfect. Okay, that's the salad. I'm out on my deck here at the lake. I'm gonna have some lunch. It's a beautiful day and it's just perfect for eating outside. So this is strawberry maple balsamic salad, almonds, goat cheese, strawberries, tomatoes, romaine lettuce, and of course homemade maple balsamic dressing. That's really easy to make, as you see. That's really, really good. Hope you give it a try. I'm gonna come back with more recipes from things that I find in my fridge that I put together just to make sure that food isn't going in the garbage. As you see, those strawberries were just a little worse for wear, but they're still good. And the tomatoes were a little soft, but they needed to be used up too, and they're fine. Come on back and join me again. I hope you will. If you want, please like and share with others so they can also see how I'm saving money on groceries with intentional shopping and a plan for all of the food that's in my fridge and pantry. Grocery Ninja saying so long for now. Bye-bye.